but I want to talk about this. This product is off the hook. Not a lot of people must have, told you about it, but you can see there it has 2058 reviews and it has 4 stars and has worked wonderfully on my skin. It is the Luxaderma foot peeling mask. So I never ever thought that I will love a product so much, but this is one of those products that I am truly, truly in love with. Especially, when I am traveling and, I don't have the time to go for a pedicure, but I like my feet soft and supple. Guys, if I do a live, showing you the process of this, you will love it. It is that good. So basically it's like a socks. I can't like open it right now and wear it and show you, but I will give you the whole experience verbally and I hope you understand it and like it. So basically you take it out, it is like a socks, it has a jelly kind of thing inside and you wear it on your feet and you just tie it up. You just tie up this product, leave it on your feet for 20 to 30 minutes max. You do not require to leave it more than that, and then you take it out and you just wash your feet, okay, and then you forget about it and then you see the magic happen. Like your skin starts peeling, okay? So don't freak out, don't feel that there's something wrong with your feet. It's actually the new skin that is coming in, and you can see that proper just softness hoti hai na, wo cracked heels disappear because the skin will come out in front of you. You can actually peel off the skin. So of course 3-4 days you will be a little listening, ye kya ho raha hai mere face ke feet ke ye peel bahar nikal rahe hain. So sometimes if I really want a huge makeover for my feet, this is what I go to. So I always have one of these with me. If you go for a pedicure, you are not paying less than 500 to 700 in a good place for a pedicure, but this gives you results better than a pedicure can ever give you results, because this actually peels off your skin and lets your that softer side of your feet and your AD basically become clean. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा product है, and it is one of my favorites, so I had to share it with you guys. So here I've clicked, it's available on Amazon, it is on a 7% discount and it has been verified by 2058 people, so including me. So yeah, this is a product that I love, and I have used it a lot and enjoyed using it. तो हमेशा एक पाउच हमेशा मेरे बैग में रहता है, like मतलब in my beauty bag or in my beauty closet. I always keep it because this product is that quick fix product and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me know about that.